Hey, it's Pastor Steve Pulley. Listen, I want to just thank you so much. I know you've been entertaining this thought about coming to this dinner that you were recommended for by somebody in our Restore leadership. Our dinner is this Sunday night at 6 o'clock in the Growth Track Room, and I know you're thinking and praying. I want you to know we're praying for you too. And here's what I wanted to say. So I want to give you this final message. Listen, if there's anything in you that might have that door just somewhat opening for what if you were a part of this team, I want you to come to the dinner that night. It will not commit you to being a part of Restored Leadership. We're not going to have you sign on the dotted line. You may not even be ready. Some of you guys are saying, hey, look, I can't even think about this till January. Well, we're growing. This environment is. I'm up here tonight. It's on Monday night. We've had a phenomenal night, man, with so many people that we're helping. But you may say, it's going to be a season before I can even get in. That's perfect. We're a seasonal ministry. Some people come in, they come out. So I would want to invite you. You come and listen. Let's see what God will do. We're going to give you the vision, the history, what it is that we're asking you to do, how you can plug in. There's levels of leadership. I think it's going to be a great, great night to meet some new people, to see some old friends, but more than anything, really to confirm it's God opening the door for you or closing it. So I hope you'll be here. You let me know, hey, yes, we're coming, or no, we're not. Sunday night, 6 o'clock in the Growth Track Room.